Today we will be baking a chocolate chip Pizookie. Before preparing the dough and beginning the baking process, it is important to wash your hands thoroughly to avoid cross-contamination and sanitize. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients you'll need are 3/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a half cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and vanilla ice cream.
Next, we grease the pan to ensure that our dough does not stick to our skillet.
In a large bowl, combine the melted butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar and stir until smooth. Then add the egg, egg yolk, and vanilla extract and mix until combined. Add the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt and stir until the flour disappears. One principle of food science that can be seen in this recipe is the chemical leavening agent used in the form of baking soda. A leavening agent is what is responsible for giving baked goods their lift and allowing them to rise. Baking soda produces carbon dioxide in the presence of moisture, which comes from the eggs, and acid, which comes from the brown sugar. The brown sugar is acidic as it contains molasses and allows the reaction to take place. This type of leavening agent does not require heat and happens instantly after the moisture is added, indicating that it is important to not wait too long to bake the Pizookie for maximum leavening to be achieved. Stir in the chocolate chips and spread the batter evenly in the cast iron skillet. Then we sprinkle sea salt on top. It is important to follow food safety throughout this process by being careful to prevent cross-contamination. Raw flour and raw eggs contain harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli, which can contaminate other foods. It is important to handle the raw Pizookie dough as such and wash all the tools used to mix the dough after use, and to ensure the internal temperature of the cookie reaches 160 degrees to properly kill any harmful bacteria. This also includes not placing any ready-to-eat foods on surfaces where the raw dough has been prepared.
To bake the Pizookie, we place the iron skillet into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The method of heat transfer observed in the oven is convection. This occurs as hot air rises and cool air sinks, creating a current of air that circulates in the oven and heats the outside of our product and the cast iron skillet. Another method of heat transfer seen in this process is conduction, where the skillet heats the dough through direct contact. This bakes for approximately 25 minutes. After the Pizookie is done baking, we leave it to cool for approximately 15 minutes, and we top the cookie with vanilla ice cream to finish it off.